brilliant black color. Needs some upholstery work and some interior cleaning. It's been in the garage for 5 years about. Hasn't seen the road since. Currently the mileage is 138,410. Well, the reason why this is not being driven is because it's not drivable at the moment. The rear diff is broken. There's this rear end that could go into the car. The battery right now is out of the car because it's been dead. The car is fairly clean. I haven't seen any compartments here. Tool for the BBS wheel. It's fairly clean. A little damaged. Engine bay quite clean. Looks like everything is there. Looks like the radiator was replaced at some point. Some work has haven't been really driven on.